Lil, you think you can fix the world? You can't even fix yourself.
I can't.
And now, everyone finally sees you for what you really are.
They do.
And the whole one is gone.
It is. So we can make a new one.
Nothing but the truth now. Nothing but the proof of what I am. The worst of what I came from. Patterns I'm ashamed of. Things that even I don't understand. I try to fix